So क्योंकि there are a lot of seniors, right? You look at some seniors and you think इन्होंने कुछ अच्छा किया है. So there were some seniors obviously जिनके साथ जिनको देखकर लगता था कि maybe this is something which I can do, I want to do. So I had some seniors who were kind of idols. मानते हो आप या किसी को देखते हो बोलते हो मेरे को भी ये पेपर करना है whatever. I think CAT was something like that for me, and it started from there. Obviously during the process you realize there are people like हर्षा भोगले who's the best commentator, और रघुराम राजन है, चेतन भगत है, कोई भी है, राइट? You see all of these people and you idealize, or you want to become a business person in general. I think that was the most natural path for me to go for an MBA, because I realized मेरे को मास्टर्स नहीं करना इकोनॉमिक्स में या समथिंग. So it was more like an elimination also, but also idealizing things, getting into business, which forced me into MBA.
Anand.
Yeah, so for me, it was twofold. A, elimination of other opportunities that were there in front of me back during my undergrad. And secondly, again, in my family, I had a couple of MBAs already from IIM Calcutta and from top business schools. So that also served as a motivation. Okay, so this is what, life after MBA might look like. And again, back at SRCC, there were a good amount of seniors who were also pursuing MBA, right? So all of that contributed in shaping my thinking कि अच्छा MBA करना, because for a brief period of time I was also thinking UPSC कर सकते हैं because of the uh, privilege and the prestige involved with that degree, right? Serving your nation and all of that. But I think finally I converged कि I want to set for placements, and along with that MBA would be a good complementary course or an entrance exam to again sit for. So it was slightly straightforward, that decision making, but again was a combination of eliminating opportunities and looking inward again inside family ki this is what the typical roadmap could look like.
एक्चुअल में वी सी पीपल व्हेन वी सी सक्सेसफुल पीपल तो हम देखते हैं कि उन्होंने क्या किया एंड देन वी ट्राई टू बेसिकली फॉलो दैट पाथ. सो वो एक एस्पिरेशन को रियलिटी में हम कन्वर्ट करने का ट्राई करते हैं.